There's my little pockets. I cut sections because you can't put butt hinges on the end grain of MDF. The screws will not hold. Tell me, does that look like it's grown out of the wall? Oh, stairs? Did I say stairs? Where'd they come from?
Some stairs appeared.
Oh, blimey, there's some stairs appeared. I've now glued secure one of the panels, and what I'm about to do now is insert the dowel. See that there? Better do this right, eh? So, what I'm about to do now is clean them all up, cut off the dowels, cut off the horns, give them a nice clean.
Do you ever wonder why you get lots of cracks in your ceiling? Probably because there's a party going on upstairs. But more structurally, it's because the spacing between your timbers is usually too big. Otherwise to that, it's because you've got lots of individual pieces.
This time I'm working for the other side of the fence. I'm working from the other side of the fence. My task today